My name is Daniela Maria Arias Montoya. I am single. I am from Neiva Huila. I am 20 years old. I am administrative assistant. I study psychology. At the UNAT I live in San Jose del Guaviare. And my friend that I like to play volleyball with my classmates or just sometimes I prefer to stay at home watching videos on my cell phone. I live in San Jose del Guaviare and I will tell you about my small town which has thousand shows as nations Wales the Orion Head Tranquilandia. In Tours we find some celebration such as the finish of the Golden Jubilee, the fish on the colony, the summer festival, the size, they will find its typical food, which consists of pescado moqueado, arroz dulce, chicha, among other delicacies. On the other hand consists of mangy recreational places where you could go skating, play volleyball, go to the gym, and besides the chats with friends. In conclusion, is the I place full of diversity where they can learn many new things every day.